Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money to India using Revolut. So if you want to send money to India using Revolut, here's a simple workaround for that, but make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's quickly dive into it. So the first thing to do is to open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you log into your account. Then tap the transfer or payment tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the send or the plus new button, then choose send for the bank transfer. So make sure you tap add new recipient, then select the India as the recipient country, then enter the recipient bank details including the full name, the account number, the Indian financial system code, and the bank name and branch if required. Then choose the currency, usually the INR for the India rupees, and select another if preferred. Then enter the amount you want to send, reveal the exchange rate, the fee shown on the screen, then tap continue and confirm all the details. Then tap send to complete the transfer, and you will see a confirmation on screen once the transfer is successful. And that's how to send money to India using Revolut. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.